Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video, I'll show you a AI cloud powered platform where you can actually write code here and compile your code in different languages. So the website is jdoodle.com. If you visit this, simply sign up using your Google account, and right here it allows you to write code in 100 plus languages with no local setup. You simply go to the website and simply click on start coding, and then you need to pick a language or framework. So from drop down you can select from a series of programming languages. So whatever language project you want to develop, you basically select it from the drop down. And let's suppose I want to build out a React project. I give it a project name, then I select which language version we need to build out project. To start with the latest project. You can open your own project as well. If you have an existing project, you can click this button to simply upload your new project as well, and then click on start coding. So now it will compile and start your new. So it will basically create a new React project for you in the cloud environment. So you don't need any sort of IDE installed. With no local setup, you visit this website and simply it will create a new virtual machine for you with a console. So this will take some time for you. So then you will be able to write code in 100 plus languages. It's a free platform, so definitely visit jdoodle.com, and it provides you with a unique URL so that you can share your project with your friends instantly. So now it built out your React project. Here you can see in the left hand side, these are all the files of the project. It's a simple, and also you see the live preview of the application that you built. So it gives you this unique URL. So if you make any sort of changes right here, you will be able to. So this is the execute button right here. So click on execute and it will start your local development server. So now you can see this is a fully fledged React Chase application. So as I'm clicking this button, the value of count is increasing. In this easy way, you can create any sort of application. It can be view as well. So if you make any sort of changes right here, the changes will be reflected back. So after you make the change, you will see automatically it will be reflected back right here. Side by side, you will see the result as well. So it's a great platform. Definitely try this jdoodle.com. And after that, you similarly, this gives you this URL where you can share this project here. So when someone goes to this page here, you can open this in incognito window. So when they paste it, this would be the URL of the project here. You will see this app is deployed here. So anyone can visit this URL to see the results. So with no local setup, you will be able to create applications in any project, in any framework. So in similar way, you will be able to construct. So simply go to jdoodle.com, and so now if you want to stop it, you click the stop button. So here from the drop down, you can select if you want a C# project or a Python project. You simply select which version from the drop down and click on. So now it will create a simple Python project for you. So here you can click execute, and side by side you will see the Python project will be the sum of two numbers 25 plus is 35. So you can see the compilation also, it works side by side online. So it's a complete online code editor. You can try this jdoodle.com, and it supports 100 plus languages, and also they offer the pro plan as well. So can definitely try this. And also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.